Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you're a gamer, you're going to want to get this. This charger makes it so easy to charge your PlayStation controllers. So the PS4 controllers fit very nicely on here. You just plop them right one on top of each other, and what's neat about this is that you can charge two at once, and you can choose whether you use the top port to charge it or the bottom port to charge it. There's intelligent charge technology in here that makes sure that your controllers are protected, that they're not going to overheat, that there's not going to be a surge, and there's not going to get too much power. These will charge your controllers within 1.8 hours for a fast charge. Its smooth, compact design has the two tiers, so it takes up very little space and looks very nice just sitting while it's charging your controllers. So after you're done playing, before you store it away for the day, hook it up to its charger, leave it to charge for a few hours, and you're good to go. When you first start charging, it will be red, and once it's fully charged, it's blue and ready to go. As soon as you want to play, they'll be ready. So this is a must-have for any gamer, and that is my point of view.